Hi, I'm Rebecca, I'm 25. I believe that I suffered from emetophobia since the age of 6, and the older I've got, the gradually worse it's got. I feel like I couldn't go out and see friends that I had. I couldn't travel on trains, planes, I couldn't travel long distances. I was really fussy with food. I would always ask if it was cooked. I would always double check expiry dates. I would always be really worried about where I ate, especially if I was eating out. I hated trying new places, so I had my safe places where I ate. Very rarely went on holiday or went away anywhere because I couldn't get on transport and I couldn't go long distances in the car. Over Christmas this year I felt like I was in a really bad place. I was struggling to go to work, couldn't go out and meet friends. My self-esteem and social anxiety were the worst that they've ever been. I've been to job interviews, processed them internally. My self-esteem is a lot better than it was. I would never have done a video like this in the past, so this is a big step for me, and my social anxiety is a lot better as well. I'm going out places, I'm going to see friends who I haven't seen for a long time and really enjoying myself and not having any anxiety around that. I've currently just been on a train on a long distance journey, and I have another one coming up in about 2 weeks, which I'm really looking forward to, and I don't have any anxiety around that. And I've currently just planned a holiday to go away on my own to Canada, which is going to be about a 20-hour flight possibly, and I'm really looking forward to it. I've got no anxiety around the flight, and I'm really looking forward to going on holiday for the first time ever. And working through the book, I could really see myself changing and starting to thrive. My life now is completely different. Like I've just mentioned, I'm looking at going on a holiday on my own, which I never ever thought I would do in a million years. To me, that's thriving, and I'm really excited to go away and swim with whales and be thriving in the water with them.